Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Tinsky and welcome to my channel. Today I will present to you my version of creamy carbonara. Just to point out in the beginning, it is not the Italian style where no cream is added. However, I am super convinced that you will for sure love this savory dish just as I do. If you liked the video, hit the like button and press subscribe for more videos of mine. So let's get it started. What do you need? Onion, garlic, bacon, 2 eggs, some cream, and for seasoning, parsley, chili, salt, and pepper. Firstly, finely dice the onion and garlic. After that, we use some coconut oil and heat it up in the pot. I like to use coconut oil because it's pretty neutral in taste and can be heated up on a high temperature. While waiting for the pan to heat up, we're going to fill another pot with water to let it boil for the pasta. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to make the water boil faster, and it also adds some flavor to the pasta. As you can see, when the oil is dissolved and the pan is hot enough, you can add the onion and garlic to saute it. If it gets some color, add the bacon and season it with parsley as well as chili. Finally, pour the cream into the pan and let it boil on a low heat. After that, let the sauce rest a bit and make sure it doesn't boil anymore. To thicken up the sauce, add 2 eggs and stir it quickly in, because if you don't do it quick enough, the egg gets hard. And we don't want boiled eggs in the sauce, right? On to the next, the pasta. I personally prefer Capellini Pasta as it is thinner than normal spaghetti and it's super delicious. Depending on the brand, the cooking time, of course, differ. It's time to serve it. Look at this creamy carbonara. It's super yummy and it's the perfect comfort food. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.